Come on, Brent, slide on the ice. Slide on the crappy ice, Brent.
Huh?
Slide on the crappy ice.
No, it's like hard rock.
So it'll be fun. No, you shouldn't.
Why?
Because I don't have my other green, white, blue pair.
So? Dude, I freaking hate rock. But there's shoes
So that doesn't matter. Run in front of the car.
Poor Rocky.
It's cold.
Things are. Can you see my eyes? Huh? Oh.
No. What do you want to say to your girlfriend? Because she's going to watch this. Yeah, she is. I'm going to show her right when we get to school. Don't stress. Dude.
School Spirit Week, so.
That's just not right.
Wow. Oh, whoa, whoa. I'm texting Abby about that.
About me videotaping? Or stripping?
Stripping.
Sure.
About. Whoa.